Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. My name's Jill. Hi, I'm glad you're here. I'd love for you to subscribe. Today I thought I would do a laundry routine type of video for you guys. I have a crap ton of laundry to do, so I just thought why not make a video out of it and just show you guys. I don't know if I call it a routine. I don't really have set days where I do certain laundry, but I thought I could just show you guys kind of how I handle the laundry situation for the four of us. So this is where I sort out all the laundry before I go downstairs and wash it. This is just an everything room. It's like a playroom. I got clothes storage in here. I have a closet over here that is like an everything closet, but this is where I keep the hamper. I just keep it over here, tucked away next to clothes storage, and everybody puts their laundry into here, or at least sometimes it gets into the basket. A lot of the time Madison will just leave clothes next to the basket. I don't really understand that, but yeah, there's that. But this is where I'll collect all the dirty laundry, and I just put everything together into this basket. Sometimes there's two stacked here. So anyway, that's where everybody's laundry goes. That's where everything goes. Towels, clothes, anything that needs to be washed goes into these baskets, and then I just sort it out on the floor. I just like dump everything out and sort everything. So I don't have a laundry schedule. I don't do certain loads of laundry on certain days. The way I do it is I just dump the laundry out on the floor and I sort it, and then I see what I have the most of or what I really need to get done. Like if we're all really low on socks and underwear, I'll do that. Or if Greg needs stuff washed for work, I'll make sure I do a load of darks with some of his stuff that he needs for the week. As far as sorting the laundry goes, I know there's a lot of people who don't sort their laundry anymore, just people my age and younger than me, I feel like. Just wash everything together. I'm not like that. I still sort everything. When I first started doing laundry, I kind of started falling into that, like not sorting stuff, but then there was one time where I had a shirt. I can't remember if it was my shirt or if it was Madison's shirt, but it was a white shirt and it had stripes on it, and I think I washed it with like darks and something bled onto that shirt and it kind of turned it like a pinky color, and ever since that I was just like, nope, I am definitely going to sort my colors. And I liked the shirt too. I don't know why I can't remember what it was. If I liked it, I should be able to remember, but I do remember that happening, and ever since then I've just been sorting everything. And also there's just some stuff that I like to wash separately. So for how I sort the laundry, I'm just gonna go ahead and list you off all the different categories. I was gonna like lay out the laundry in the piles and stuff, but I don't want to go showing you all my dirty laundry, so I'm just gonna tell you the water temperature that I wash stuff on, and then after that I'll go down in the basement and I'll show you what I have in my little laundry room. Don't get excited, the laundry room is not anything special to look at, but I have some stuff down there that I want to show you. But anyway, so for my sortings, I do darks on cold water, and then I do lights on warm water. And lights is not whites, lights is just light clothing. I will have some things that are completely white, and then some things that are just light color, like pale pink or pale blue or whatever, and sometimes stuff that's mostly white but striped. I'll wash that in there depending on how much color is in it. If I feel like it's mostly light, then it goes in the lights. If I feel like it's mostly dark, then it goes in the dark. But if there's white on it, I'm scared to put it in with the dark, so most of the time it gets washed in the lights. Am I making any sense? I hope so. And then I also do delicates, and I think delicates are usually on cold water, so those go on the gentle cycle. Sometimes I have stuff that needs to go on gentle cycle, it's hard to say, or Madison will, so that stuff I'll all wash together in its own load. I do socks and underwear all together in their own load on hot water. I do all our towels in their own load on hot water, except for like dirty cleaning towels, like things that I clean like really dirty stuff with or like outdoor stuff with. That will go in its own load separate from our other towels, also on hot water. And I think that's it for how I sort things. So I'm going to take you guys down into the laundry room and show you what I've got down there. First, I forgot to mention that I have 3 laundry baskets actually. I have these 2, and then I also have this other one. I use this for Chase in the tub too. He'll sit in it when he takes his baths, but I also use it for laundry when I need it. So this is my laundry room, or laundry dungeon as I like to call it. I hate this room so much. If this was our house, I would definitely want to fix this up and make it less dungeony, or even better, just move the washer and dryer out of here and just somewhere else in the basement. I don't know. This is kind of what I got going on in here. I laid a towel on top of the machines to keep them as clean as I can from like drips from the detergent and stuff like that. I just think that helps a lot with keeping things neat and clean. So I'll just show you kind of what I've got up here. First thing is a towel. This is so important if you have a front-loading washing machine. When we first moved into this house, this machine was really bad. It was really gross. No one ever dried this out. They would leave the door open, but that wasn't enough. They never dried out the inside seal, so this was just so crummy and gunky, just like build up all inside of here. So yeah, all inside of here. They never dried it out. The water just sat inside there and it just got so nasty and disgusting. It was really bad. So I always keep a towel up here just meant for drying out that and drying around the door and just making sure it's completely dry when I'm done with the laundry for the day. Then I just have my little laundry cup that goes with this thing, but I always throw this into the washing machine, and some people have seen me do this on the videos where I'm showing myself doing laundry and they'll be like, what are you doing? You threw it in the washer. I always throw it in the washer and it just cleans out the inside of the cup so you don't get like a whole bunch of soap buildup inside of there. I don't know, my mom always did it and I do it now too, so yeah, I just toss the cup in there after I'm done using it. Then I just have a little thing of baking soda. Sometimes I'll pour some of this into, just sprinkle it right into here on top of the clothes. If I have clothes that I'm trying to like get a smell out of, sometimes the deodorant smell is still left on the clothes, so I'll use some of this to help with that. And then I have one of these bags and I have another one that I haven't even opened yet. It's kind of dirty. It's been sitting back there for a while. I really only use this one. This is a Delicates bag, and I'll use this if I have like, I don't know, like some of Madison's dresses are kind of strappy, or like from washing bras or something and I just want them to stay together. I'll put them inside of this bag. Just anything that I'm trying to be a little bit careful with, I'll put inside this bag and then just into the washer. So those are really handy to have, and you can get them at Walmart or Target. This one is definitely from Walmart. It's a Walmart brand. Then for my detergents, we use good old Tide. We buy the big jugs like this at BJ's or Costco. And then I have this detergent, which I should have cleaned off for this video, but I didn't think about that. But I use this. This is Tide with bleach for colors, and I'll use this on our underwear and our towels and just anything that I want to get like a little bit extra clean that I think I might need a little bit of bleach power with. I'll use this for that if it has some color in it. If it doesn't have any color, I'll just use straight bleach, which is up there on the shelf because I lost a cap for it, so it stays up there so it doesn't get knocked over. So yeah, there's my detergents. I also have fabric softener back there, but I hardly ever use that. I don't even know why it's there. And then over here, I just have some Walmart brand dryer sheets. I use these sometimes, especially with the kids, like fleece pajamas, and some of Greg's shirts are just really staticky, so I'll just throw one into the dryer and it really helps with the static. That's it for what I keep in my laundry room, but there's one thing that I keep upstairs that is a lifesaver for me, and I highly recommend you get one if you don't have one yet, and that is a drying rack. This thing is amazing. I use it for so many things. I don't know what I would do without it. If I didn't have this thing, I basically have things just like hanging everywhere in my house. Stuff that I need to dry would just be everywhere. This thing is amazing. I got this from IKEA. I don't think they make this one anymore. They make one like it, but honestly it's not as good of quality. But I have seen things like this in Home Goods and TJ Maxx, and I'm sure like Walmart and Target sell something like it too, or Amazon. But it's just a wire hanging rack, and this one is really nice because it just easily folds. I'm not going to do it, but it just folds down like that, and you could store it away really easily if you wanted to. It folds nice and flat. I don't. I always have mine out. I just kind of keep it on this rug so that stuff can kind of drip onto the rug. Don't mind that. At least it's clean. That's where my dog goes potty. She's pee pad trained, if you're wondering what that was. That thing is just super handy. I seriously can't live without it. Like, I need to have one of those at all times. I'll never not have one. I also keep a little bottle of LD laundry detergent upstairs in the bathroom in case I need to hand wash anything, or if I need to quickly get a stain out of something. I'll just, if the kids spill something on their clothes, I'll just quickly have them take it off, and I just put it in the sink, get water on it, and a little detergent, and try to get the stain out right then and there. That's always what's worked best for me as far as stain removal, just getting it with some detergent as soon after it happens as possible. So I just keep that right here in the cabinet in the bathroom, just a little bottle right upstairs where I need it. I don't have to go running around looking for detergent or anything like that. The only other thing I use for stain removal is just this spray and wash stick, just because my mom gave it to me, so I'm using that. I just keep it in the closet up here. If something still needs some help after I hand wash it, I'll just use this before I throw it in the washer. As far as folding the laundry and putting it away, I save that for nighttime when the kids are asleep, mainly Chase, because he just likes to wreck all my piles and everything when I'm trying to fold, so it's just easier to do it when he's sleeping. Sometimes I'll try to make an attempt to get some laundry folded during the day when he's awake, and sometimes it goes well, sometimes it doesn't. Most of the time it doesn't, and then I just regret even trying. But yeah, most of the time I save that for a nighttime thing, and it's peaceful too. I like to just sit there at night and watch a show or turn on a YouTube video or something and just fold some laundry. But that's it for my laundry routine, or whatever this video is going to end up being called. I don't know. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Give it a thumbs up for me if you did. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.